Hello friends, today we will solve the second examples. Hello friends, today we will solve second example of the farm accounts. From the following trial balance prepare from the books of Sri Anil Bhai, a farmer drew up his final account for the year 2014. Friends, here we have to prepare the farm account and also balance it. So let us start. Farm accounts, balance it, go to the sum. See, first of all, we have been given the information about the stocks. So livestock, grain and vegetables. Here livestock will be written in the balance sheet. Grain and vegetables will be written in the debit side of the farm accounts. Go to the farm accounts. As your opening stocks, grains 7,000, vegetable 700, total 7,700 in the outer column. Go to the sum again. Purchase. So the purchase of the livestock 3,000, seeds and fertilizers 1,400, cattle feed 1,000. So friends, we will write the livestock in the balance sheet. Go to the balance sheet. Livestock, opening balance 35,000, purchase amount 3,000. Go to the sum. Closing stock of livestock 12,000. It is also written in the balance sheet. 16,000 sales of the livestock. Closing balance of the livestock 12,000. It is written in the balance sheet. Here 12,000. Friends, 22,000 minus 12,000. So the remaining amount rupees 10,000 will be a return of amount regarding the livestock. So the amount of 10,000, the second effect will be given in the debit side of the farm accounts, rupees 10,000. Go to the sum again. Purchase. Seeds and fertilizers and cattle feed. Go to the farm account. Purchase seeds 1,400, cattle feed 1,000, total purchase 2,400 will be written in outer columns. Go to the sum again. Debtors 3,500. It is written in the balance sheet. Debtors rupees 3,500. Go to the sum again. Wages 700. We have to clear the adjustment regarding the wages. So here is the adjustment. Rupees 400 of wages and rupees 200 of the water charges were not paid. Go to the farm accounts. Wages 700 plus 400 outstanding amount, total 1100. So the second effect will be given for the outstanding amount as a liability in the balance sheet. Go to the balance sheet. Outstanding wages rupees 400. Go to the sum again. Rent and insurance 500. Repairs and maintenance 1400. Both are expenses. They are written as the expenses debit side of the farm accounts. Rent and insurance, repair and maintenance. Go to the sum again. Water charges 400, drawings 900. Water charges 400. Adjustment is there. Fourth number. Water charges rupees 200 of water charges were not paid. The effect will be given here. Go to the farm account. Water charges 400, outstanding 200, total amount 600 will be returned in the outer columns. So second effect of the outstanding amount both for the wages and water charges will be given as a liability in the balance sheet. Outstanding wages 400, outstanding water charges 200. Go to the sum again. Drawings 900. So one adjustment is there. Third adjustment, vegetable worth rupees 2000 were consumed by the proprietors. So it is taken as a drawing also. Go to the balance sheet, drawings, cash 900, and as per the adjustment, vegetable 2000, total amount 2900. Go to the sum again. Cash and bank 400, farm machinery 10,000. So look at the adjustment number 2, that we have to give the effect of the depreciations regarding the machinery 10%. So it will be considered here. Go to the balance sheet, cash and bank 400, farm machinery 10,000, 10% depreciation 1,000. So the remaining rupees 9,000 will be shown in the outer columns. So second effect will be given of the depreciation rupees 1,000 in the debit side of the farm accounts. Depreciation of machinery 1,000. Go to the sum again. Land and building 32,000. Land and building 32,000. It is shown as a assets. Go to the sum again. expense of fencing rupees 3000. Here is the adjustments regarding the fencing. Adjustment number 6. Expenses of fencing were to be written off over 3 years. So the 1/3 part of the fencing amount will be written off. Go to the balance sheet. Fencing expenses 3000 in the inner column. 1/3 part rupees 1000 will be written off. So the remaining 2000 will be shown in the outer column. Go to the sum. So second effect will be given for the return of amount rupees 1000 in the debit side of the farm account. Return of amount fencing expenses 1000. Go to the sum again. Credit side amount. So the sales grain 10,000, vegetable 3,000, dairy product 1,800 will be shown credit side of the farm account as a incomes. So outstanding interest on the loan 2000 by sales, grain 10,000, dairy product 3,000, vegetables 1,800, total 14,800 will be shown as an income. Go to the sum again. Creditors 2,000. It is shown as a liability in the balance sheet. Creditors 2,000. Go to the sum again. 10% loan. It is shown as a liability rupees 20,000 and outstanding interest also will be calculated. 10% loan, inner column rupees 20,000, outstanding interest 2,000, total 22,000. Second effect for the outstanding interest on loan 2,000, that effect will be given as an expense in the farm accounts. Here is outstanding interest on loan 2,000. Go to the sum again. Capital 48,000 and government subsidy 100. Government subsidy is the income, so it is shown in the credit side of the farm account. We will consider later on, but first of all, capital 48,000 will be written in the balance sheet. Capital 48,000. Go to the sum. Some adjustments that we have to clear here. Go to the farm account. Friends, here vegetable worth rupees 2,000 were consumed by the proprietor. vegetable given in personal use 2000s. So that effect we have given already as a withdraw drawings in the balance sheets rupees 2000s. So second effect will be given in the farm accounts that vegetables will be taken for the personal use. Go to the sum. Fifth adjustment, the credit sale of hay during the year was rupees 1000. So it is written as income credit side of the farm accounts. Rupees 1000. Second effect also will be given in the asset side of the balance sheet. Credit sale of hay 1000 rupees. Go to the sum again. So the closing stocks that we have to write. One effect regarding the return of amount of livestock 10,000. That effect we have given earlier in the balance sheet. This is the missing amount 10,000. Go to the farm accounts. Closing stock will be returned. Go to the sum. Closing stock of grains 10,000, dairy product 2,000, vegetable 3,000. So first effect will be given in the farm account and second effect will be given asset side of in balance sheet. Grain, dairy product, vegetables 10,000, 2,000, 3,000 respectively. Total 50,000 will be shown in the outer column. Go to the balance sheet. Closing stock, grain 10,000, dairy product 2,000, vegetables 3,000. Total 50,000 will be shown in an outer column. Go to the farm accounts. Then go to the sum. Value of grass grown for feeding was rupees 250. This is the contra entry. Two effect will be given, debit and credit in the farm accounts. Grain grown used for feeding 250. Grain grown used for feeding 250. પશુઓ માટે ઉગાડેલું ઘાસ જાવક તરીકે 250 ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ બતાવવામાં આવશે. આ જ ઘાસચારો પશુઓને ખવડાવવામાં આવે છે એટલે ખર્ચ તરીકે એની ઇફેક્ટ ફાર્મ અકાઉન્ટની ડેબિટ સાઇડે આપવામાં આવશે. Go to the sum. Government subsidy 100. I told you earlier. Total both the side 33,150. We will find out the missing amount 5,200. It is the amount of net profit. So profit will be added in the capital in the balance sheet. Go to the balance sheet. Net profit 5,200. So capital 48,000. Net profit 5,200. Amount of the drawings will be deducted 2,900. Remaining amount 50,300 will be shown in the outer columns. Now it is time to make the total. The total would be same for both the side, capital and liability, and asset side. That would be same 74,900, 74,900 same. Thank you friends.